Snaketrace Solar SnakeMax XL cable management for utility and commercial solar is the ideal solution for above-ground installations. The Solar SnakeMax clicks maintain NEC 31015 code cable separation, which allows the cables to operate cooler and more efficiently. This can yield up to 30 watt-hours per meter more energy than trenched or bundled cables. There's no need for derating cables or trenching, which will save on installation costs and the environmental impact. The clicks easily attach to the side bridle that suspends on the messenger wire and can be stacked to create a multi-tiered cable layout. These clicks can accommodate cable sizes from 350 to 1250 kc mil, all in one click. No tools required to install. An aluminum hard rail model is available to stabilize cable pathways to the interconnection areas for batteries and transformers.